In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own HR Copilot AI agent guided by a Microsoft engineer. We'll go through the full setup process inside Microsoft Copilot Studio, from creating the agent to preparing it for your team to use. The goal is to build an HR assistant that can answer common employee questions in a helpful, professional, and reliable way. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot Studio in your web browser and sign in using your enterprise account. Make sure you're using the correct organizational environment so the agent is connected to the right workplace tools and resources from the beginning. Once you're signed in, click the Create button to start a brand new Copilot project from scratch. This gives you a clean foundation and lets you control how the HR assistant is designed, rather than modifying an existing template that may not match your needs. Next, give your HR agent a clear and recognizable name and choose your preferred language settings for the bot. A simple descriptive name makes it easier for both administrators and employees to identify the purpose of the agent. Selecting the correct language also helps ensure more accurate responses and a better user experience. After that, connect your company knowledge base by uploading your human resources policy documents, employee handbooks, and benefits guides. This is one of the most important parts of the setup because the quality of your Copilot's answers depends heavily on the information it can reference. Use documents that are current, well organized, and written clearly so the AI can provide more dependable support. Once your content is connected, write system instructions that tell the AI agent to behave like a helpful and professional HR assistant. Keep these instructions clear and simple. This is where you shape the tone of the bot and define the kind of support it should provide when employees ask questions. Then set up basic conversational topics for frequent requests, like paid time off questions and health insurance details. Creating these common topics early helps the agent respond more consistently in the areas employees are most likely to ask about first. Now, test your agent directly in the chat preview pane. Ask a few sample employee questions and review the answers carefully. This is your chance to check whether the wording is accurate, whether the responses sound professional, and whether the uploaded documents are being used effectively. When everything looks good, publish your finished HR Copilot to your company intranet or to a Microsoft Teams channel so your team can start using it in a familiar workspace. Thank you for watching this guide on building your own HR AI agent, and be sure to subscribe for more expert engineering tutorials.